welcome to Healthy Kadhai. In our today's video, we are making banana oats chocolate cake. This is a perfect gluten-free and vegan cake where we are not using any of the flours. It's completely eggless. We are not using curd, milk, and it comes out to be super moist, soft, and absolutely delicious. So let's quickly see how to prepare it. Before moving to the video, I would request you to please subscribe to Healthy Kadhai if you are new to our channel and click on the bell icon so that you get regular updates of our new recipes. Firstly, we'll take a mixer grinder jar into which we'll add 1 cup of oats. These are instant oats. Then we'll add half more cup of oats. So in total, we'll take 1.5 cup of instant oats. Then to this we'll add 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. This is unsweetened cocoa powder. To this we'll add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of baking soda. And we'll add a pinch of salt. We'll grind everything together till we get a nice fine powder. Our dry ingredients are ready. We'll transfer it in a bowl. In the same blender jar, we'll add 2 bananas. Use ripe bananas to make cakes. The ones with black spot are the best because it adds to the natural sweetness. Then we'll add half a cup of brown sugar. You can use white sugar if you want, but brown sugar gives a really nice taste. It's time to blend it again. To a banana sugar mixture, we'll add half a cup of oil and we'll pulse it for one more time. That's about it. Now let's combine our dry and wet ingredients together. Here goes our banana, sugar and oil mixture. Banana gives a very nice flavor to this cake and you will not feel at all that you are having a gluten-free cake where we have not used any of the flours. To our wet ingredients, we'll add 1 teaspoon of vinegar and I'll be using vanilla essence. So here goes approximately 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Combine everything well. And now it's time to gradually add our dry ingredients. Add the dry ingredients in batches. Then we'll add 1/4 cup of water. Combine everything well. So you can see we are not using curd or milk to prepare this cake. This is a very healthy cake where we are using oats, bananas and brown sugar. So it's a gluten-free vegan cake. In the cake goes few choco chips. You can add walnuts, almonds, as per your taste. Now I have already cleaned my baking dish. I have taken this 8-inch pan. Into this we'll transfer our cake batter. Tap it to release any air bubbles. And we'll sprinkle few more choco chips on the top. My cake batter is ready to go for baking. I have already preheated my microwave at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. And now we need to bake the cake at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. One can even bake the cake in an air fryer where the temperature will be 180 degrees Celsius and bake it for 30 to 32 minutes. Also, you can bake this cake in a pressure cooker. Just preheat salt in a cooker and then bake it for approximately 35 to 40 minutes. Our cake is done. After 30 minutes, I kept this cake in microwave for another 3 minutes. So in total, it will take approximately 30 to 35 minutes to bake this cake. Let's check it with the help of a toothpick. And it's completely clean. The cake has turned out really very soft. Let's cut it into slices. Let me show you one piece. Just look at this. How soft, moist and spongy our cake has turned out to be. And we have not used any other flour to make this cake. Just look at this. It's really very soft, moist cake. You'll really like the taste of it. So friends, you should try out this recipe. I'm sure you'll really love the taste and the flavor of this cake. Do let me know how does it turn out for you. If you liked watching today's video, please give us a thumbs up, share our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadhai to watch more such healthy and interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.